Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Oakley Tie Bar eyeglasses. The model number on this is the OX5138. I only have one color today, it's the O2, which is the Satin Olive in a size 53. It comes in two different sizes. I'll talk about the sizes a little later. So it comes in the Oakley box. This is one of their newer boxes, and comes with the hard case. Includes the Oakley warranty booklet. You're gonna get this with every Oakley's, and that's it. And inside you're gonna get the glasses, of course, in this cloth pouch case. So this is also your cloth. Then it also comes with the lens pattern. This is going to be for your optician to use. It'll make it easier for him to make the lenses for you. With the case, it is a hard case. It's like the standard Oakley hard case for the eyeglasses. It has the Oakley O on the inside, if you can see here. The case, it does say case made in China. Nice Oakley logo here. So onto the frames. So this is a men's frame. It's a full rim frame. Comes in two different sizes. This one is the 53 size, so it's 53 millimeter lens width, 16 millimeter bridge width. It's gonna be 34.3 millimeter lens height. 135 millimeter temple length. So with the sizes, so this is the 53. The 53 is kind of like the medium. There is a slightly larger size, the 55 size, so it's going to be 55 millimeter lens width, and it's going to be 35.6 millimeter lens height. So it's going to be like an extra millimeter height. And about 4 millimeter in total for width of the frame, and all the other sizes are the same: 16 millimeter bridge and 135 temple length. This frame is made with titanium. So on the back here, the nose pads are kind of like this lightweight metal. Pretty sure it's metal. It's a bit clunky with the hitting the metal, but I mean, you're going to be wearing it, so it doesn't really matter. I'm not a fan of the metal nose pads. I prefer, like silicone. I just wonder how comfortable it'll be, wearing this all day. Also on the back, in the middle, it'll have the size. It has 53 and 16. So on the left temple, the frames are made in China, like most Oakleys. Has the size info. 135 is the temple length. The full code is 005138-0253. It also says Satin Olive here. And on the other temple, it has the tie bar, the name of the frame. With the hinges, there are spring hinges, so they do, it springs back. So, it'll be pretty comfortable to wear. So with the, if you want the larger size, the 55, that's more like a medium to large. I'm not sure if it's completely large, but it's, it's in between medium to large. So there are there's 4 colors in total for this model. It's the so this is the Satin Olive. Also comes in satin black, a satin chrome, and a satin cotton, which is like a bronze copper. I don't know what cotton color wise, but it is like a bronze copper color. being titanium, extremely lightweight. Like, it's feather light. You know, if you chose like a plastic frame, it's gonna be heavier, but this is just, it's so lightweight, you know. The retail for these is around $300, so it's gonna be on the slightly pricey side compared with most of their other ones, but it is because it's, you know, titanium, and you know, you're gonna be paying for the brand name as well. But you know, as far as quality goes, it's, you know, it's very well made. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, and also like, comment below if you have this frame and if you would suggest it to anyone, or you know, if you like this frame, like any questions, you know, hit me in the comments. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.